Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about reopening a service request or managing a deleted service request. So in order to reopen a service request, let's go into our service request list and pull up completed and closed service requests. Once we have the service request we'd like to reopen, you can simply press Action, Reopen. The system will prompt you asking you if you'd like to reopen this request. Pressing Yes will now take this service request and move it from the completed back into the processing state. So now we can go back into the fill recommendation and make any changes necessary. In addition to reopening service requests, you may have deleted one that you need to check. You can go into the service request filter list, select deleted, and press search. This will pull up any service request that may have been deleted from your service request list. Thank you for watching this episode of Car Training, and have a great day.